Salesforce Sales Cloud is a vital part of the Salesforce customer relationship management, supporting sales, marketing, and customer service for business-to-business and business-to-consumer businesses. With over 82,400 customers, it effectively manages resources and processes. Let's explore how Salesforce automation and customization enhance sales speed and streamline lead-to-cash processes. Salesforce automation accelerates sales processes, streamlining lead-to-cash operations. It enables businesses to handle more tasks efficiently and fosters collaboration. This customizable cloud service centralizes customer data, integrating marketing, sales, and customer service, enhancing productivity and deal closure from anywhere. Accounts and contact management centralizes customer data, tracking account history, contacts, documents, and interactions. This feature streamlines managing customer information, activities, and opportunities, enhancing efficiency. It ensures all customer-related details are accessible in one place, empowering sales teams to maintain strong relationships and capitalize on opportunities effectively. Lead management is crucial for quality sales. By efficiently scoring leads from websites, trade shows, or emails, we ensure high-quality prospects. Automation swiftly assigns these leads to the right sales representatives, enhancing response times and increasing conversion rates. This seamless process sets the stage for managing opportunities and quotes effectively. Opportunities and quotes centralize deal data, including size, products, decision-makers, and communication. This keeps the sales team informed on the latest opportunities, enhancing their ability to close deals efficiently. By having all this information in one place, sales reps can focus on what matters most, building relationships and driving sales forward. Approval and workflow automation in Salesforce. Sales Cloud eliminates redundant tasks, streamlining sales processes. This feature is essential for efficiently completing sales cycles, ensuring quick responses to changes. By automating routine activities, sales teams can focus on closing deals, enhancing overall productivity and effectiveness. Email and productivity tools in Salesforce. Sales Cloud synchronize address books, calendars, and emails, enhancing sales productivity. Sales teams can use any email app for seamless communication, ensuring efficient client interactions. This integration is vital for maintaining momentum in sales processes, allowing teams to focus on closing deals effectively. The content library centralizes sales materials, ensuring teams have easy access to the latest resources. By subscribing and searching for updated content, sales teams can close deals more effectively with current information. This feature enhances the sales process by providing up-to-date materials, crucial for informed decision-making and successful deal closures. Analytics and forecasting in Salesforce Sales Cloud empower businesses to analyze sales pipelines and revenue growth. With customized reports and dashboards, visualize sales results and understand customer data and trends. This feature is crucial for informed decision-making and strategic planning, enhancing overall sales performance. Chatter revolutionizes team collaboration by enabling real-time communication and automatic updates on users, data, and documents. This feature significantly reduces the sales cycle, accelerating deal closures. It ensures everyone is aligned and informed, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Chatter is a vital tool for any sales team aiming to streamline operations and achieve faster results. The Partner Portal offers a centralized view of sales channels, enhancing channel management. It empowers indirect sales channels to maximize return on investment, providing crucial insights into their performance. This tool is essential for optimizing sales strategies and ensuring all channels are aligned with business goals. Salesforce Mobile ensures sales reps have real-time access to crucial sales data on any device. This connectivity is vital for maintaining productivity and engagement with accounts while on the move. It empowers sales teams to manage their processes efficiently, ensuring they never miss an opportunity, regardless of their location. Jigsaw Data Services offers seamless access to millions of contacts, ensuring your data is accurate and complete. By eliminating incorrect or duplicate records, it automates and streamlines management processes, enhancing efficiency. This service is crucial for maintaining a clean database, which is vital for effective sales operations and decision-making. AppExchange is a powerful tool within Salesforce, offering a marketplace of add-on apps to enhance sales processes. Users can easily browse, test, and install applications, streamlining operations and boosting sales revenue. This service empowers teams to customize their Salesforce experience, driving efficiency and growth. Salesforce Sales Cloud equips businesses with tools to optimize sales, boost productivity, and drive revenue growth. By leveraging its features, companies can transform their sales operations, ensuring seamless collaboration and enhanced efficiency. Consider implementing these solutions to stay competitive and achieve your sales goals.